Interior comparison of the new Nissan Silence S04 2025 versus Citroen-Ami 2025. A direct, hands-on comparison of the interiors of the 2025 Nissan Silence S04 and the 2025 Citroen-Ami can be difficult as they are both quadricycles designed for different aspects of urban mobility. However, based on available information, here is a breakdown of their interior features and philosophies. The Citroen-Ami 2025, Minimalist and Utilitarian. The Citroen-Ami's interior is a testament to its philosophy of being a non-car. It is designed with cost-effectiveness and simplicity at its core. Design and materials. The cabin is characterized by a minimalist, utilitarian design. The materials are primarily hard, black plastic. To save on manufacturing costs, many components are symmetrical, such as the front and rear bumpers and even the doors. The driver's door is hinged at the back while the passenger's is hinged at the front, allowing for a single part to be used for both. Infotainment. The Ami does not have a traditional infotainment system. Instead, it features a simple smartphone cradle on the dashboard, with the driver's phone serving as the navigation and entertainment hub. Storage. The Ami offers clever, albeit basic, storage solutions. The passenger footwell provides a surprising amount of storage, up to 63 liters, which can be increased to 200 liters if the passenger seat is used for luggage. There are also dashboard storage boxes and door nets. Features. The Ami comes with basic features like a USB port, a panoramic glass roof, and heating, ventilation, and demi-sting functions. However, it lacks power steering, airbags, and ABS, which are standard on most cars. The Nissan Silence S04 2025, a step towards real car features. The Nissan Silence S04, while still a micro-EV, aims to provide a more refined and feature-rich experience, positioning itself as a bridge between a quadricycle and a small car. Design and features. The interior of the Silence S04 is described as a convenient, comfortable cocoon. A key differentiator is the inclusion of features that are absent in the Ami, such as a multifunction steering wheel and air conditioning. Technology and infotainment. The S04 moves beyond the Ami's basic setup. It features a smartphone mount and an accompanying My Silence app that transforms the smartphone into an onboard computer. This app provides functionality like route creation, navigation, and remote control of features such as climate control and windows. Higher-end Vivo models may even feature a 7-inch TFT screen. Storage and versatility. The Silence S04 offers significantly more dedicated storage space than the Ami. It has a generous 310-liter trunk, which is comparable to that of some small cars and far exceeds the Ami's standard capacity. There is also a cargo variant that removes the passenger seat to offer over 500 liters of load space, making it a viable option for last-mile deliveries. Comfort. A major advantage for the S04 is the inclusion of a secure, weather-protected cabin with air conditioning and heating as standard, making it more suitable for year-round use in varied climates compared to the Ami. In short, the Citroen-Ami's interior is designed for absolute simplicity and affordability, while the Nissan Silence S04's interior is a step up, offering a more car-like and comfortable experience with more modern features and significantly greater storage.